Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the XLT Sport Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing. You got that nice tow hitch, backup camera of course, mud flaps on the rear. We also have a nice tonneau cover to keep your goods nice and dry, as well as a gripped running board. You do have mud flaps on the front. We do have heated mirrors. And moving to the front, we do have 2 tow hooks. You got a block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle also comes equipped with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space with some nice carbon fiber accents. We got 2 cup holders here, a 12-volt, 2 USBs, oh my, 110 volts, and if you need more room, you can always lift up the seats for additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, as well as the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. Yeah, your parking brake there, pedal adjusters, and lights just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 120,232 kilometers. We have a nice little leather up steering wheel. You have your volume and mode there. Phone, mute, voice, cruise control, and toggle-free main screen, which you can go through display mode, trip feel, towing, off-road, and other settings. Continue our look here. You have your leather-wrapped gear shift with your speed adjusters, drive modes, which are normal, tow and haul, snow and wet, eco, and sport. Continue our look here. You have a nice little pen slot, 2 cup holders. Oops, this does open up for more storage and 2 USBs, oh my. Nice leather-wrapped center console, ton of storage down there. Trailer disconnect, pro trailer backup, rear locking differential, and 4-wheel drive. Heated front seats, plus your dual climate, 12-volt, 110-volt. We got a little storage cubby there, and storage in the glove compartment. And we do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. You got your traction control there, hazards, and auto stop, auto start, and little storage cubby up there. Now looking at your infotainment system, you got your station, compass with phones connected. You have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, phone, any apps you may have downloaded, settings such as clock, Bluetooth, general, Apple CarPlay, Ford Pass, Android Auto, valet mode, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF40876A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.